Welcome to the Content Agent Studio dashboard. Today, we're going to build an FAQ AI writing agent. To do so, all you have to do is scroll down to this plus icon, click plus here. We will name our agent, give it a description, if we are creating a new agent, we can add that here and click enter. Then we need to load 3 examples of what we consider high quality FAQ responses. So I have the examples here that we can copy and paste those, but for the best result, you'll want to make sure you enter them in Markdown. And there's this tool called Stack Edit that I use that allows you to convert plain text into Markdown, or rich text into Markdown, excuse me. And so you can add these examples in here. When you have your 3 examples loaded, click Create Content Agent. And in just a few moments, your writing agent will be ready 24/7 and always on brand in the voice of the examples that you uploaded. When your agent is ready, you can find it in the dashboard. And then simply click Create New. Now you'll enter a brief, and this can be a formal campaign brief, this can be a transcript, or this can be a raw blog post that you'll be making an FAQ for. In this example, we will use a blog post as the brief. Click Save and Generate. And in just a few moments, we will have an FAQ written in our brand's voice, ready to go. And just like that, we have the content generated right here on screen. And if we want to make any changes, we can edit with chat. For example, we like our FAQs to be a bit longer, more detailed, but you could say, make the responses to each question half the length. And you can start to work on that content right here in your dashboard without ever leaving the platform. When you're ready, all of your generations will be here, and you can use this at any time. It is your 24/7, always on branded AI writing assistant.